we are going to see about optimizing performance. Absolutely, let's explore this aspects of performing optimization in Next.js. Performance optimization technique in Next.js. Next.js provides several built-in features and optimization to improve the performance of your application. Some common techniques include code splitting, server-side rendering, static side generation, caching, and bundle-side reduction. By optimizing your application, you can achieve faster load time, improved user experience, and better search engine rankings. Code splitting and lazy loading. Code splitting is the process of breaking your application code into smaller chunks or bundles that are loaded on demand. Next.js automatically performs code splitting by default, so only the necessary JavaScript code for each page is loading initially. You can further optimize code splitting by using dynamic import to lazy loading components. Routes are libraries that are not immediately needed. Now I will show you how a lazy loading component using dynamic import. First, inside the component, first I am going to create dynamic component.js. Const dynamic component. Return div h1. This is a dynamic component. P, it was loaded dynamically using Next.js dynamic import. Next, I will export default dynamic component, and in index.js, first I am going to import dynamic from next slash dynamic. Next, I am going to create a const dynamic component equal to dynamic. Within this, I want to import the component dynamic component, and inside div I want to call that component. If I run this, npm run dev, see I am getting this is dynamic component and it was loaded dynamically using Next.js dynamic import. Like this, we want to use code splitting. Next, we are going to see about image optimization and asset optimization. Next.js provides built-in support for optimizing images and other assets to improve performance. You can use the next/image component to optimize images by automatically resizing, compressing, and serving them in the appropriate format. Example, WebD. Additional Next.js optimized assets loading by automatically handling assets preloading, crazy loading, and a responsive image rendering. Now I am going to show you the how to create image. The index.js. I am going to import image from next image const my image equal to return div and call image. Inside the image I want to give the source. Here I am going to use this next.svg, and I want to give the alt. Here we want to give a description of the image, and I am going to give a width of 500 and height of 300. Next I am going to export default my image. If I run this, see, we are getting the image next.js. Like this we want to make image optimization and asset optimization. By implementing this technique, you can significantly improve the performance of your Next.js application, ensuring faster load image and a smoother user experience. Thank you.